Hi everyone and welcome. My name is Christian and you're watching Dang Cool. I came across a few articles yesterday regarding the brand new DJI Osmo Pocket. I thought that this device is really exciting and promising, and that's why I decided to do this video to explain you what it is and also share my thoughts about it, and let's get started. Let's start by explaining what the DJI Osmo Pocket actually is. It's a small portable camera which you can fit in your pocket. But don't be fooled, it's actually quite powerful because it can shoot 4K video and also has a 3-axis gimbal which smoothens the video. I believe that every photography and videography enthusiasts will be interested to find out what are the specs. It's quite light, it is only 116 grams in weight. The sensor of the DJI Osmo Pocket is 12 megapixels, which is more than enough, I imagine, for shooting decent video. You can shoot 4K video up to 60 frames per second or Full HD video again up to 60 frames per second. The maximum video bitrate is 110 megabits per second. You get micro SD slot for storing your video, and the claimed battery life is 140 minutes, and it also takes 73 minutes to charge. Let's discuss a few of the features of the Osmo Pocket. I believe the most important feature is the gimbal. It has a 3-axis brushless motor gimbal, which is extremely useful for making smooth and cinematic looking video. I believe it's quite incredible that they were able to incorporate all of the technology and research they've done with their drones and the earlier Osmo products back into this small package, which works really well. I think this is a definite winner because it allows you to shoot nice video without having the shake and jitter that normally comes with handheld video. I think that DJI has been really clever in incorporating the universal port. It is something that allows the Osmo Pocket to be quite versatile because you can connect different modules to it. One example is the USB-C or Lightning adapter, which can be used for connecting your smartphone to the Osmo Pocket. I think that's quite powerful because you can expand the display so it's easier to see and frame or focus, but also you can benefit from using the Mimo app. One of the nice things in the Mimo app is the story mode. Story mode is a set of templates which allows you to shoot nice looking sequences of video which have inbuilt effects and motions for the gimbal. That's quite powerful for someone who's inexperienced at taking video but is looking to make something that will be impressive and you're able to show to your friends or family. DJI is also planning to make a set of accessories for the Osmo Pocket which would expand its functionality. One of them is the charging case, which you can use to store and charge your Osmo Pocket while not in use, but also has some additional space for micro SD cards and the ND filters. ND filters is another of those accessories which you can buy if you want to shoot outside in bright daylight, but you also want to use that wide aperture for the shallow depth of field. Another accessory is the wireless module, which adds Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. Also, there is a waterproof case which you can put the Osmo Pocket in if you want to go underwater. There is a 3mm adapter which would allow you to connect your external microphone if you're feeling that the inbuilt microphone is not adequate. There is an extension rod which is pretty much like a selfie stick for the Osmo Pocket, as well as an accessory mount which would allow you to mount the Osmo Pocket to any existing action camera accessories you might have already. There's the adapter which is for smartphones that we discussed earlier, and also a controller wheel which would allow you to better control the settings and more precise pan and tilt control. The last thing that they have on their website is a quick release base, which is something that you can stick on to a place of your choosing, and then allows you to take off the Osmo in a pinch. The Osmo Pocket is something that really excites me and inspires me because of the countless possibilities you have. Just imagine going to the mountains and you climb to the peak, and then you set the Osmo on a tripod and it just starts going around and capturing the landscape, and it's sunset, it's really nice, and you just have the result, which will be a really nice time lapse of your surroundings, which will be memorable. Also, you can imagine being in a busy city where there's a really nice building or a monument or a statue that you want to make a hyperlapse of, and then you set the Osmo Pocket on a time-lapse feature and just try to track the building while you're going around it. Also, imagine you can put it on your helmet or somewhere on your chest if you're on a motorbike, for example, and then you have like a first-person view of the racing or going in small roads and stuff like that. Additionally, I think it will be extremely nice if you do long exposure photographs of just the busy streets late at night, so you got those nice and long streaks of where the headlights or tail lights of the cars are. Whenever we discuss tech, we have to also mention the topic of price. The Osmo Pocket is gonna be selling for $349 or 329 British pounds if you're in the UK. I believe this price is something that DJI has chosen to compete directly against the GoPro 7, but it's also something that might make it a hard buy for the average person that's just looking to shoot a few videos on his holiday or on a family event or something. Also, you have to take into account that you will need to spend more on the accessories if you want those extra battery life or being able to put it underwater, etc. I think it's something that will be extremely useful and practical for vlogging. It is pretty much everything you want. For vlogging, you've got stabilization, you've got your display so you can see yourself, it has inbuilt microphone, and also shoot 4K. What more could you really ask for? I think that this is a really compelling product that is very capable in what it's designed to do, but also might not be exactly right for everyone. I can definitely say I'm interested in having one, so if DJI decides to send one, I wouldn't mind. To conclude this video, I wanted to say that the Osmo Pocket is a device which shows how far the technology has developed, which allows you to fit all of those features in the palm of your hand. You've got a really capable camera which can be used for various occasions and scenarios and applications. I believe that this is a really good indication of what we can expect to come out in the near future as well. For now, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please remember to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.